Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to buy web hosting and domain from Hostinger. If you buy web hosting through my link, you will get an exclusive 20% discount. So link in description. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to a page where you will see 4 different hosting plans. Each plan includes a free domain which you can claim after purchasing hosting. Single plan suitable if you are complete beginner and on a tight budget you can host only one website. Premium plan great for blogs or small e-commerce sites. You can host up to 25 websites. This is the most popular plan. Business plan allows you to host up to 50 websites. Cloud startup plan ideal for large scale projects. You can host up to 100 websites. As per your requirement, just click on choose plan and after selecting your plan, choose the duration. I highly recommended selecting 48 months, 4 years for the best value. If your budget is tight, so minimum 24 months select. After choosing a plan, click continue and register your account. Enter your email address and create a strong password and click on register. Now here you add your billing detail like first name, last name, address, country, country code, your province, city, zip code and mobile number and click continue. Now add your payment information, name on the card as it appears, 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV 3-digit code on the back. Click submit and enter the OTP one-time password received via email or mobile. Once done, your hosting and domain will be successfully purchased and you will be logged in automatically. If not logged in automatically, just log in manually using the email and password you just set up and you will be taken to your Hostinger dashboard. In the next video, I will show you how to claim your free domain that comes with your hosting purchase. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.